Youth shares their views on election. With just less than 1 month left for the first phase of the polls, youth in Meghalaya thinks unemployment is a prominent issue for this election. Meghalaya is having a large number of youth populations and thus the focus is on employment. Here is a report.
In the recent past, we have seen numerous pressure organizations have repeatedly taken to the street to urge the government to address the issue of young people lacking stable jobs in the state. Last month during the budget session, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma told the Assembly that the unemployment rate in Meghalaya is around 3% as against the national rate of around 4.7%.
Unemployment is one of the main issues, especially when we look in Meghalaya. I mean, like, as a student, I'm a master's student, you know. Like, after this, I'm not sure where will I landed up because there's no job at all. So unemployment is one of the main issues.
Most of the legislature, they always raise the issue regarding the issue like the youth all face in getting the opportunity, a job here and there. And we do hope in this election, each candidate will help to raise the issue so that the government will try to find a way for the youth to get the jobs for the youth, the best opportunities for the youth.
Youth unemployment is said to be a major issue during this Lok Sabha election. The political party like Congress counters the Modi ki guarantee on state subsidies and schemes. The Congress party has offered 5 guarantees to the youth.
Probably, I can't think of employment because that's only like the main to do what after we finish our college, after we graduate and all that.
As a student, after we passed the exam, but we did not get any job.
It may be mentioned that the Meghalaya government has enhanced the upper age limit for general candidates to 32 years and 37 years for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes for entering the state government services. This will be implemented in all other departments except for the 4 departments of the state government: civil defense and home guards, excise, registration, taxation and stamps, forest and environment, and home police. Bureau Report, Didim, Meghalaya.